Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another tutorial of Actions. Today we will learn about how to create a simple snack bar and how to create a custom snack bar. So before starting our tutorial, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel. Also like our Facebook page, which is Actions tutorial. We have created here an XML that's parent layout is coordinate layout. To implement it, it's the best parent for a snack bar. However, we can use frame layout and other layouts too. So I'm using coordinate layout as a parent view, and then the constraint layout, and then the buttons, right? So let's create here. So after this XML, now we will jump to the snack bar activity, and then we will initialize this button. First of all, we will initialize the variables btn snack bar simple, and the next one is btn custom snack bar. Variables are created here. Now we will create a method over here which will be init resource, and then we will implement this method, and now we will initialize these buttons. Snack bar, and then simple snack bar equals to find. So we created here the snack bar. Now we will create here the click listener, provide here this, and implement the methods. Then the next step will be we will just copy it and paste it over here. Now we will create here condition if view dot get id equals to r dot id dot show snack bar, and then just copy it and then paste it over here, and just change the id show custom snack bar. So here we will use the simple snack bars. So for this we have to just call the snack bar dot make. We will provide here the view, then the id or the string, whatever we want to display here, and then the duration, right? For this we have to provide here the view. If this is the view, put this view, and then we will just add here the string simple snack bar, and then just add here snack bar dot length. The length of the toast and the snack bar are same, short length and long length. Then we just add here show, right? So this is the simple one, right? So let's create a custom one. We have to create here the multiple options, right? Like what view, then we will add here set view, then just add here custom snack bar, then we will add here snack bar dot length, which is long. Then what we will do here, we will set here dot set action. We can set action to any of the snack bar. So let's say undo. We always see undo option, and then we will say new on click listener and provide click listener. On this we just show the toast here, the toast. I made the tutorial on toast, how to create a simple and a custom toast, so you can watch that tutorial too. Press undo, and then just if we call this snack bar, the action will be like undo, and on the press of this button it will show a toast. If we want to add here dot, if we want to change the text color, so what we will do here, we will just set the text color r dot color teal color, okay? Then if you want to set the text color of this undo button, what you will do, action text color, and just define here the color r dot color dot whatever you want to show. let's say yellow or purple. So we created here the colors also, right? Get resources, we will just add here get resource to display the color, and then add the color r dot color dot whatever color you want to add here, like teal. This, let me see the color is this, and then we just add here the color but with the different, add here yellow. Click the run button. So the application is built. Now let's see what it will show. So it shows simple snack bar, and on click show custom snack bar, what it will written custom snack bar, and the undo will show the toast also, right? On press the undo button, it will show the pressed undo. So that's it for today. Hope you will like this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up to this video. Also like our Facebook page, which is UKTechtions Tutorial. You can also follow us on Instagram, which is @UKTechtions. Learn to code, learn with us. Stay connected, be blessed, stay happy and healthy. See you with another amazing tutorial. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.